Good morning, children. Now today we will start new chapter 10, perimeter and area. It's very interesting chapter, children. Now we'll begin with the important points. Now you already know what is a perimeter and what is a area. Now perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary, forming a close figure when you go around the figure once. Now suppose this is a close figure. The perimeter of this close figure is nothing but the distance covered along the boundary, forming the close figure, or we can say the sum of all the sides is nothing but your perimeter. Since it is a square, we can take the perimeter as 4 into sides, since all the sides are same. Instead of adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 times, we can take 4 into 2, 8. Okay, so if you take any shape, the sum of all the sides, suppose this is one shape. To find the perimeter, we find the sum of all the sides. Okay, children. Now in the rectangle we have 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So the formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. We can add L plus B and make it 2 times L plus B. Okay. For some shapes, regular shapes like for square, rectangle, we have a formula for it. Otherwise, we can find it if it is a regular polygon, that is if all the sides are equal, we can multiply number of sides into the length of one side. Okay, now what is a perimeter is understood. It is the distance covered along the boundary, forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once. Okay, now perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. This is a rectangle. Longer side is length, shorter side is breadth. So 2 into L plus B. Okay. Then perimeter of a square. Square means all sides are equal. So 4 into length of its side. That is 4 into S is the perimeter of square. Now what about perimeter of an equilateral triangle? What do we mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means a triangle having all sides equal is called equilateral triangle. Okay, if this is 3, all the other 2 is also 3. So if all the sides are equal, we can say 3 into length of any side. Okay, so now figure in which all sides and angles are equal are called regular close figure. If all sides and angles are equal, then it is called regular close figure. Like for example, equilateral triangle. For example, square, in which all sides and angles are equal. Okay. Now, I told you earlier also that the perimeter of regular figure is equal to number of sides times the size of each side. Suppose you have a pentagon. Pentagon means a figure made with 5 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon. That is 5 equal sides. So if the length of each side is 2, suppose. So simply we can find the perimeter of this pentagon by multiplying 5 into 2. That is 10 centimeter. Okay. Number of sides into length of each side will give the perimeter in the case of regular figure. Regular close figure means whose all sides and angles are equal. Okay. Next. Now what do you mean by area? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Now this is a square. Now this is the boundary. This is the perimeter. Area is the surface enclosed by the closed figure. This is the area of this square. Now if I'll take a triangle like this, this is the area of this triangle. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is the area. So you should have a clear picture in your mind about what is a area and what is a perimeter. This is the area of rectangle, and this is the boundary is the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. Now, to calculate the area of figure using squared papers, the following conventions, that is rules, are adopted. Now, sometimes you have to find the area of specific shape using squared paper. Okay. Now, suppose this is a square paper. Okay. We have to find the area of this shape. So to find the area of this shape, what conventions we have to adopt is, first one, ignore the portion of area that are less than half of a square. Now each square is counted. If ignore the portion of the area that are less than half. If it is less than half, ignore it. Okay. If more than half a square is in the region, count it as one square. If it is more than half, count it as one. If it is less than half, ignore it. These are the rules to find the area of figure using squared paper. Okay. If exactly half the square is covered, take its area as half square units. If it is exactly half, take it as half square unit. Okay. So 3 rules you have to follow when you are calculating area of figure using squared paper. Okay, this also you should have a little idea about it. Next, area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of square is side into side. You have to be very clear. Area of square, side into side. Perimeter of square, 4 into side. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Perimeter of rectangle, 2 into L plus B. You have to memorize this. You have to learn these formulas by heart. Okay. 4 formulas, very important. Now next, the area of square is more than area of any other rectangle having same perimeter. Now this means if you have one square and perimeter of same area, if their areas are same, but you have to remember that the area of square will be more than area of any other rectangle having same perimeter. Okay. So this was all about important points. Now we'll start the exercise. Now find the perimeter of each of the following shape. These are not the regular shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and all. These shapes are totally different. They are neither regular shape nor they are having all the sides equal. So how to find the perimeter of this type of shapes? You should remember that perimeter is equal to sum of all side. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. Okay. Now I'll start from here. So it will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. Okay, we have started from here. We have added AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. Now we have what is AB? It is equal to 40 centimeter. BC is how much? 50 centimeter. CD is how much? 35 centimeter. DE is how much? 60 centimeter. EA is how much? 45 centimeter. Okay. You can make a rough column in the side. 40, 50, 35, 60, 45. 5 and 5, 10. Carry 1. 5 and 5, 10. 13, 19. 19 and 4, 23. So the answer is 230. Remember, always perimeter will have only single unit and area will have square units. Okay. So we have done here what? We have just added all the sides to find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. and we have added up all the sides. Okay, now let's try the second one. Now it is a shape of capital I. Let's start from this point. So what we have learnt, what is the perimeter? How to find a perimeter? Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. Now start from A. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IJ plus JK plus KL plus LA. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on, we'll write the measurements now. AB is 8 centimeter plus. Now this is how much? CB. Now this side is not given, but this side is given. So this is 3. So this will also be 3. 3 centimeter plus. Now this side is not given, but this is equal to this. So this is also 3 plus. This is 5. This is 3. So this one will also be 3. Then this is 2. Then this one is 8. So this one is also 8. Then this one is 2. This is 2. So this one is also 2. Now this is 3. Then this is 5. So this one is also 5. Plus this is how much? This is 3. This much is how much? 3. So 12 should be there. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on, let us add now. 8 and 3, 11. 8 and 3, 11. 11 and 3, 14. 14 and 5, 19. 19 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. 31 plus 2, 33. 33 plus 3, 36. 36 plus 5, 41. 41 plus 3, 44. 44 plus 3, 47 centimeter. Let us do it again. 8, 6, 14, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 30, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Again we'll check. 8 and 6, 14, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. It is 48 centimeter. Let us count again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 centimeter is the answer. So this all for today. This was the introductory class. Watch the video carefully and complete your work up till here from the PDF. Thank you.